Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to take a lesson on English articles. Let's begin. For this lesson, you would need to know three different key words. 1. Article, which is a small word that is used before a noun. For example, a, an, and the. Second we have is vowel. Vowel are the letters A, E, I, O, U. And last, we have consonant. Now, consonant letters are all the letters except for the vowels. For example, B, C, D, F, and G. So, in simple words, consonant are those excluding vowel letters. Now, imagine saying, I saw cat in street. Now, something feels missing, right? While articles are the glue that helps our sentences make sense. Now let's learn how to use a and an. We use a and an for singular nouns. That means only one. A is for words that start with a consonant sound, while an are for those words that start with a vowel sound. For example, a cat, a dog, a city, a country. These are the words that start with a consonant sound, while an animal, an insect, an office are those words that start with a vowel sound. An important concept for the articles is consonant sounds and vowel sounds. You're going to use a for consonant sounds while you're going to use an for vowel sounds. Now look at the examples shown on the screen. A horse, a book, a university. For vowel sounds, the examples are an ant, an ear, an hour. In short, look at the starting sound of the word and decide whether to use a or an. Next is a quick question to check your understanding. Which sentence uses the article correctly? The correct option is sentence 3. Saudi Arabia is a country. Another important concept is use a or an when it's just any one thing, and use the when we know exactly which one we mean. For example, I see a bird. We use the article a as it's very general. It is any bird. Next is the bird is blue. In this sentence, we know which bird we're looking at, therefore we used the article the. We use the for definite nouns, like things that are unique. For example, the sun, or the things that we already mentioned. And for specific groups or locations. If you want to create your own sentences, remember this pattern. Subject plus is plus article plus noun. For example, Mexico is a country. In this sentence, Mexico is our subject, a is our article, and country is our noun. Now let's see if you grasp the concepts by answering the question. We say an hour because H is a vowel. Is the sentence true or false? This sentence is false. We use an because the H is silent and the first sound is the vowel O. Now to conclude our lesson, let's look at a summary. When we have a consonant sound, we will use the article a. And when we have a vowel sound, we will use the article an. Article the is used when there are specific or unique things, used for nouns like places and animals. Now let's take a quiz. Question 1. Sarah adopted dash adorable puppy from the shelter. The correct option is Anne. Sarah adopted an adorable puppy from the shelter. Question 2. We watched dash movie that won the Academy Award last year. The correct option is the. We watched the movie that won the Academy Award last year. Question 3. My brother wants to become dash engineer. The correct option is Anne. My brother wants to become an engineer. Question 4. I saw dash eagle flying over the mountains. The correct option is Anne. I saw an eagle flying over the mountains. Question 5. Could you pass me dash salt, please? The correct option is the. Could you pass me the salt, please? Question 6. She bought dash beautiful dress for the party. The correct option is A. She bought a beautiful dress for the party. Question 7. My uncle is dash honest man. The correct option is Anne. My uncle is an honest man. Question 8. We visited dash Eiffel Tower during our trip to Paris. The correct option is the. We visited the Eiffel Tower during our trip to Paris. Question 9. They found dash old photograph in the attic. The correct option is Anne. They found an old photograph in the attic. Question 10. She is reading dash novel her teacher recommended. The correct option is the. She is reading the novel her teacher recommended. Question 11. My father drives dash SUV to work every day. The correct option is Anne. My father drives an SUV to work every day. Question 12. We stayed at dash hotel near the beach. The correct option is A. We stayed at a hotel near the beach. Question 13. Dash Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. The correct option is the. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. Question 14. She waited for dash hour before the bus arrived. The correct option is Anne. She waited for an hour before the bus arrived. Question 15. She gave me dash useful piece of advice. The correct option is A. He gave me a useful piece of advice. Question 16. We have dash exam tomorrow morning. The correct option is an. We have an exam tomorrow morning. Question 17. My sister plays dash violin in the school orchestra. The correct option is the. Question 18. I need dash umbrella because it's raining. The correct option is an. I need an umbrella because it's raining. Question 19. He dreams of becoming dash university professor someday. The correct option is A. He dreams of becoming a university professor someday. Last question. We saw dash moon shining brightly last night. The correct option is the. We saw the moon shining brightly last night. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new and I'll see you next time. Bye.